Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by framing the objective. Learn why the F-117 existed and what problems it solved. Once done, note 3 essentials: mission context, stealth concept, and major airframe choices, because they guide everything that follows. Make sure to connect the era to constraints: computing power, manufacturing limits, and material science of the 1980s. You'll use those constraints to interpret later steps. This prevents confusing form with function and keeps your analysis historically accurate and technically sensible. You now examine the core how and why of stealth shaping. Start with radar cross-section. Faceted geometry directs returns away from transmitters, and sharp edges reduce coherent reflections. Once done, study radar-absorbent materials and surface maintenance. They trade durability for signature reduction. Make sure to include propulsion compromises. Intakes and exhaust treatments reduce infrared and radar exposure but limit performance. By connecting each design choice to a detection threat, you'll see the trade-offs between stealth, aerodynamics, and operational utility. You conclude by tying design to real-world outcomes, how missions validated stealth and how evolving sensors exposed limits. Once done, assess sustainment issues, maintenance cycles, codings, and cost per flight hour, because they explain why technology shifted over time. Make sure to contrast myths with facts. The F-117 was not invisible, it was stealthier under specific conditions. If you get conflicting claims, return to primary sources and technical journals. That single troubleshooting tip prevents repeating popular.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.